In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a DocuSign envelope before sending the final version. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, create a new envelope by selecting Start or Send an envelope. This is where you'll begin setting up the file you want to review before it goes out to real recipients. Next, upload the document you want to test. After that, add the recipients and any required fields for the signing process. This can include signature fields, text fields, checkboxes, dates, or anything else your document needs. The goal here is to build the envelope just as you normally would, so you can confirm everything works as expected. When that's ready, select Next to open the document editor. In the editor, take a careful look at the document and make sure all fields are positioned correctly. This is an important part of the setup, because even a small placement issue can cause confusion for signers later on. Once you've reviewed the layout, use the preview option to see the envelope from the recipient's perspective without actually sending it. This is a very useful feature because it lets you inspect the signing experience in advance. Go through the preview slowly and verify that every field appears correctly and in the right place. If you notice anything that needs to be adjusted, close the preview and return to the editor to update the fields. Then, preview it again. You can repeat this process as many times as needed, until the document looks right and the signing flow feels clear and complete. If you want to perform a full signing test without affecting your live account, use a DocuSign demo or developer account. This gives you a separate testing environment where you can simulate the full process safely, without impacting your production setup. In that demo environment, create or upload your document, then send the test envelope to your test recipients. Complete the signing process using the test account, just as a real signer would. After that, review the completed envelope and verify that the entire workflow works correctly from start to finish. This helps confirm that the document, recipient flow, and signing experience are all functioning properly. Once the test is complete and everything looks good, return to your regular DocuSign account and send the final envelope. Thanks for watching.